Welcome to Kids Grab and Go Emoji No Sew Pillow. First, grab out your yellow plate and you'll flip it upside down onto one of the yellow felt squares. Using a pen, trace around carefully. If you need someone to help you hold the plate down, or if you want to hold the plate down and have the grown-up trace around, whatever works for you. Repeat this with the second yellow square of felt. Once both circles are traced, you'll need some sharp scissors, in which case you might need an adult to help assist you in cutting out the two circles. With some newspaper or some scrap paper underneath your one circle, you'll then open up your tacky glue. This is a little thicker than school glue, and using the popsicle stick, you'll go around the edge of the one felt circle. With a piece of scrap paper, to make sure that you don't glue all the way around, stick that in the opening. You'll need this to not be glued together so that you can put the stuffing in later. Next, take your second piece of felt and stick it down. You'll take your fingers and you'll gently tap together the seams. And you'll allow this to dry. For additional fun, or while you're waiting for your felt pieces to dry, grab the paper plate, the black paper, and the red paper. Cut your little smile. And with the red paper to do your heart, here's a tip. You could fold it over, and I showed you with this pen marking how you can do a curve, and as you cut around that curve and open it up, guess what? You'll get a very uniformed heart. This serves as good practice for when you do move on to the felt pieces. With a little bit of the glue, you can tack it onto your plate. How fun! One thing to note is this tacky glue is a very thick glue, as I mentioned, but it will dry clear. Now that you've had some practice with the paper, time to move on to the felt. You can use the same tip again with folding over the felt piece to cut out that kind of looks like a candy cane shape, if you will, to create your heart. And once you open it up, voila! Do this 2 times, of course, because this will be the eyes for your emoji. Next, moving on to the black felt, you'll create the smile. I used the straight edge to be the top part of my smile and just kind of made it look like the bottom of a boat. Now, go on ahead and pulling out the stuffing. It made me think of cotton candy, but this of course is not edible, my friends. You can pull little small pieces and start stuffing inside your pillow. Well, I guess pillow to be. Then, once you've got all the stuffing in, do the last bit of gluing. Once that's glued together, attach your heart eyes and your smile. And there you have it. Allow it to dry. Some tips for you: if the seams start to pop up, re-glue it, and you can also use some clothespins to seal it while it's drying. There you have it, my friends. Everything is more fun in the world when you can bring on a smile. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Manlius Library, for more ideas on craft ideas, create your own, our talking hand sign language, and more.